So, some time ago, we talked about the amazing folks at Helle 3D for their proposed tool called Pose Studio Max, and it is quite interesting to see that this is now listed on Steam as it's coming out sometime within the year. And Pose Studio Max is a 3D figure anatomy pose drawing reference tool which seems to be designed for artists across various skill sets. The idea behind this tool is for artists to be able to edit their characters from simplified models all the way to realistic male and female figures for those who are thinking about posing, for modeling referencing, or for drawing, as this also ships with various body types, weight variation, facial expressions, and various lighting setups and environments. It is quite interesting to see how the creator has gone from ideas to concept all the way to creating this to what it currently is. And like we mentioned in previous videos, they also had previous tools that are pretty much similar to this, but having these as one unified Max tool makes all the difference, because at this point you can now simply rely on this as your next referencing tool for creating various amazing looking poses. Interestingly, unlike other tools that just simply allows you to just pose a character with minimal or no props at all, this also offers various props and environment objects that you can place around your characters to get that perfect pose that you're going for. And at any point in time, you can choose to edit the poses, the lighting, or do a general edit of the overall scene that you're working on. And in terms of texture, or maybe you would like to change ethnicities or make color variations of the character, you can actually go ahead and do all of that. So depending on what you're trying to make, this is more like a universal tool that will let you create references for literally any art style that you're looking at. And this is currently coming to Steam, and you can simply go ahead and wishlist that right now. And speaking about tools that they had before, the folks at Helle have actually created a couple of tools before which has to do with the Hand Pose Pro, which is pretty nice. They've also had the Portrait Studio Pro, which is also another nice one, and then they did have the Feet Pose Lite and the Hand Pose Lite, which was also pretty nice. But making these one unified tool where you can literally just go ahead and do the whole poses how you like them to be, add props, do some studio lighting, change variations of the character if you like them to be bigger, smaller, weighty, skinny. This is just super amazing. This looks promising, and we've been following the developer as he has been making significant updates to this, and hopefully we might be having our hands on it pretty soon. So this is it. For those who would like to take a look at this, you can simply go over to the link in the description that will bring you right over to the Steam page where you'll be able to see it. This is planned for release during the fourth quarter of 2026. So just in case you would like to check it out, you can actually go ahead and wishlist that right now and get to know once this gets published. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.